All the way from Chicago, this customer came in because he wanted this thing done 100%. We're doing a drop-in on this Ram. Not common that we do them around here. We usually do the full systems, but still wants the filtration, air separation. This one's a fraction of the cost on it, and get all the cool benefits, water and air separation, and that's what he wanted. Just got the install wrapped up. If you guys have any questions or want anything done like this, hit us up at FASSmotorsports.com. Come check us out at 25 Town and Country Drive, Washington, Missouri.